Hey guys, it's Isaac at Mallard Motors, home of the $100 credit challenge, where if we can't get your credit approved for a new auto loan, we give you $100 in cash. This one just came in last night. It's a 2019 Toyota Yaris. It's only got 14,000 miles on it, still basically brand new. Gets 40 miles to the gallon on the highway according to the EPA. It's got great tread on the tires, just hardly used, and it's not those hubcaps. It's got alloy rims on it. It is a four-door sedan, so it has 2 seatbelts in the front and 3 in the back, 5 passengers. It's beautiful white. It's got a little backup camera there. It's also got Bluetooth and a proximity key. All the features you'd expect in a 2019. As long as you have the proximity key close to you, you can lock and unlock the door with that little button right there. Inside, all the standard features: power locks, power windows, power mirrors. Beautiful cloth interior, obviously in almost new shape. Nice big LCD screen right there. It's a push button start. As long as the little key fob is in your purse or in the car somewhere close by, you can just push the button and it'll start up. Radio right there, cold air. Also your backup camera right there. Has Bluetooth. Also has your additional charging ports, including USB right there. It's got a sport mode, and then of course you can change your music and whatnot right here. As you can see, it's got 14,745 miles on it. Basically a brand new car. Here's your controls for your media and your phone for your Bluetooth, and here's your cruise control. Back seat, decent leg room, 5 shoulder strap seat belts in the car. Huge trunk space. Doesn't look like it's hardly been used at all. Spare tire, I don't believe has ever been out from inside the car since it came from the manufacturer. This car is very easily financed. So if you're looking for a great gas efficient car with easy financing, make sure to get your application in quick. I doubt this one lasts the week. It's got the books. Dash is in good shape. Of course, a very clean engine, which you'd expect that only having less than 15,000 miles. Love to get you approved on it. All you got to do is go to mallardmotors.com, fill out the application, and we'll get you approved. Remember, trust the duck.